We've been needing the scan tool for a while because we've been working on a lot of newer bikes. This should allow us to read diagnostics, reflash oil lights, reset service intervals, do everything. So, see if it works. Oh, that's a big boy. These aren't crazy price-wise when you're talking about scan tools. I got this one slightly on sale. I think it was still $800. Normally they're about $900. Looks like we've got the scan tool, adapters for different countries, diagnostic probes for different things. More importantly, it's supposed to come with all the adapters for all the models. And it looks like it does come with just about all of them. I looked at the list on what it can service, and it's everything that we've ever touched and then some. So I don't think we're going to have an issue with actually using it. So let's get the actual reader out. You can see it covers all the big brands, and a lot of the little brands aren't listed on here, but they just have generic plugs. Everything just converts it to OBD2 that the scan tool has on the back. Looks like it's just a magnetic clip-in, and it's all Bluetooth, so you don't have to be bound by a cord and be messing with that. I really like that because when you're working on bikes, burning wires on exhaust is always the most infuriating thing ever, and if you have wires laying around all over the place, it's usually going to happen. It is Android, so everything's just set up as you would expect. And then you'll get to this screen after you sign in with a new account. You can have your updates, diagnostics. I believe you can save live data to this folder over here. But if you click into diagnostics, it's got everything you're going to need already on here. I think we downloaded CF Moto, and that was the only one we were missing that we work on day to day. And there's a million in here that you're not going to know what they are. You could just delete those so you don't have a bunch of menus to scroll through. But I'm just leaving them just in case somebody comes in with one. Right now we're just going to work on the Triumph. We're going to go next door and see how easy it is to use. Got our seat off and plugging in the scanner portion. Luckily Triumph doesn't use any adapters, so we can just plug that directly in. And you will have to connect this originally, but then after you connect it the first time through Bluetooth, it should work just fine. Got a Triumph, hot functions, oil reset. All right. That was it. That was way quicker than I thought it was going to be. So now our service light that was up here is spaced out until the next service interval. Figured I would show you on a bike that's actually broken, has some issues. You can see cooling fan relay short, circuit to ground, or open circuit, and that is exactly what we already knew on here, so that's reading correct. And you have your data stream, and you can read any of these. Right here, you can just, click your basic data and it'll just read everything. Obviously, a bunch of these are going to be 0 because the bike is off currently, but everything seems to be pretty intuitive and straightforward. So far, so good. Guess we'll see how it goes in the next couple weeks with various brands. Boop. And then after you're done, you just remove your Bluetooth OBD scanner, connector, and that's it.